Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in health data with Cerner, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To invest in health data with Cerner, start by creating an account on their official website. Once on the website, navigate to the investment or partnership section. Review the available investment opportunities in health data management. Understand the range of services Cerner provides in managing healthcare data. Gather information about Cerner's recent projects or innovations in the health data sector. Assess their performance and growth potential within the healthcare technology market. Next, familiarize yourself with the types of data Cerner collects and how it is utilized. Explore any current partnerships Cerner has with healthcare organizations. Identify the financial requirements for investing in Cerner's health data initiatives. Consider reaching out to Cerner's investor relations for any specific questions or clarifications. If you're prepared to move forward, determine the investment amount that aligns with your budget. Once you have decided, proceed with the investment application process through their platform. Review and accept any terms and conditions related to your investment. After completing the application, monitor your investment through the Cerner dashboard. Stay informed by following updates on Cerner's projects and health data innovations. Keep track of your investment performance regularly to gauge your returns. Engage with the community of investors to share insights and strategies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.